Hi, and welcome to the children's room at the Meredith Library. Today we're going to make lanterns. It's springtime and we need to have a lantern. All you need is construction paper, a stapler, tape, a ruler, scissors, yarn, and I think that's it, and stickers if you have them. First you're going to take a piece of paper, just like this, and you're going to fold it the long way. And then you take your ruler and your pencil and you make a line going down this way and then all across here like this. So I just did this. I went like this all the way down the paper. And then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut these lines. Don't cut all the way through, okay? Because then you won't have a lantern. So you're going to cut to each one of those lines. So I did this one. But before I cut this one, look what I did. I used markers. I took markers and I went like this all over it. And then I folded it in half. And then I cut. Just like that. And then when you get done doing that, you can take it like this and fold it the other way. Just like this. How fun! So you can either use a stapler or you can use tape, and then you're going to staple it right there on the end or tape it. Same over here, just like that. And then you take a piece of yarn or ribbon, whatever you have at your house you can use. And if you have one of these little things to put a hole in here, a hole puncher, you can do that. If not, you can use tape. So everything that you have at your house. You can also use lots of stickers. I use stickers on these right here. And this one I cut out crazy. I didn't even follow the line. That was so much fun. The other nice thing about making these is you can do it for different holidays. You can do it on your birthday when your friends come over, and you can make all these lanterns and then you can hang them up in your house or maybe in your bedroom. Ooh. I also did this one, but I did this one after I cut the lines. So I cut the lines and then I did all these little squiggles. And this is the same thing. So you just want to, you want to fold it just like this. And this time I'll use tape. How's that? We'll put a piece of tape right there, just like that. And we'll put a piece of tape there, just like that. How pretty. And you could even paint it. You can do whatever you want. I think this is wonderful, and this is all you need, and you can have fun. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.